Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, girl, we about to install a wig. My nose is burning. Hold on. A dizzy whole party talking about me. Anyway, I'm installing the wig. I already braided my hair down. I braided my hair down like 2 days ago. Yeah. The main tools you're gonna need for a good install: a blow dryer, your straightener or your curling iron, and a hot comb. I'm using a hot comb that you just plug into the wall, child. And I like to say babyless. It's not babyless. Biocon, I think. Yeah, the styling one. I'll link everything down below. Before we do our ball cut method, I almost forgot. Let's go ahead and oil our scalp, because baby, I dyed my hair, and y'all know colored hair needs a lot of oil. Oh my god, also I want to say thank you to all my supporters. I love y'all so much. Like, y'all keep me going, honestly, especially those who message me and follow me on Instagram. I love y'all, for real. And y'all, we just hit 100 subscribers. What? Like, what? Are you serious? 100 subscribers? That is crazy. I did set a goal. I said by the end of the year, I want at least 100 subscribers. And I really thought I wasn't going to be able to hit that goal. But look at this. It is... I reached 100 subscribers like the end of May or like the beginning of June. And I'm like, wow, 6 months in, and we already got 100 subscribers. So I've been watching The Ultimatum on Netflix, right? A really good show. Comment down below if you watch it. And if you do watch it, would you go on with your significant other? I want to know. Also, another thing I want to know, do y'all watch Real Housewives of Atlanta? I want to know. Girl, give me what y'all think. I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all my little 2 cents. This may shock a lot of people. Like, when Marlo first got on scene and was first on with Nene or whatever, I was giving her the benefit of the doubt. And then when Nene left, you know, she kept it cordial and kept it cute with all the girls. And I liked Marlo in the beginning, but baby, now, girl, please get off the show. I'm not sure if it's because she got the peach. I don't know if the peach just gone to her head, but you bringing up a bunch of unnecessary drama for no reason. Like, I know it's TV and it's reality TV or whatever, and it's supposed to be a little drama here and there. And I see a lot of people when Daily Peach report, and they be like, oh, she's bringing the drama, she's making the girls work. Yeah, but not in a good way. You know what I'm saying? I've been watching Real Housewives of Atlanta since season 1. And this is what, season 16, I believe. And it's been drama and stuff, you know, here and there. But Marlo, your drama is like forced. So, I ain't really feeling it. And this whole hate candy train shit is like really starting to piss me off. I am a candy fan. I love me some candy, baby. But let me tell you something. And I really think it's the comments that be sending me. Because it's like, it's one thing to support who you support. You know, it's cool. But you also need to tell them when they wrong. Like, I'm a candy supporter all day. But when she wrong, best believe I'm like, alright, now bitch, nah, Candy, you wrong. But I'm just like, some of these calls just be sending me because I'm like, there's no way, like, you gotta be on Marlo payroll or some shit, because there's no way you believe what's coming out of your mouth, or you believe in what you type in, right? There's no way. just like, girl. And this whole your nephew died at Candy shop thing, and Candy's supposed to be responsible to cater for the funeral, pay for the funeral, or send flowers and stuff like this. Like, at the time, Marlo, you wasn't even talking to your family. Let's be clear. You done said that multiple times, that you, within the last season and this season, is when you really started talking to your family. That's that on that, okay? Second, Marlo, you was like, you and Candy was friends or whatever, but at the time, Candy did not know that was your nephew who was working at her restaurant. Like, she didn't know. And then hell, she didn't know nothing about the shoot either, because honestly, what I got from the text message, when you asked her if so-and-so worked at her restaurant, she was like, yeah, but he no longer works here anymore. And then Marlo responded and was like, oh yeah, that was my nephew. He just passed. And she was like, oh damn, I'm so sorry to hear that. What more did you want her to do? And then y'all relationship been a little rocky. Like, y'all wasn't really friends or whatnot. Like, come on, Marlo. Like, you just, you bugging. Anyway, let's cut these ear tabs out. So guys, here I'm just using the Gas to Be Free spray, as well as the Erica J Stuck on You gel, just to mold the cap down. Then I'm going to blow dry it to make sure it's completely dry. Once it's completely dry, then I will add the makeup to the cap. Now that the cap is completely dry, we're going to go in with your makeup that's a shade lighter than your actual skin complexion. Put that all over the cap and also put it inside of the wig. After you put it inside of the wig, make sure you blow dry the wig so that it sticks appropriately. Now that my cap is completely dry and the makeup is on, now we can go in and cut the we can cut the cap off. I'm not gonna cut it off completely. I'm just gonna take the little tabs in the back and just put it to the back of my head. Honestly, y'all, I really don't know why she was crying. I think she was crying because she wanted to cut it, and I was like, girl, no. I feel like this wig might be a little too small for my big ass head. What y'all think? Should we do a bust down middle? And some soft curls? Ooh, I'm kind of feeling it. Or should we do a middle, a side part like we always do? In my Jocelyn Hernandez voice. I see you in there with your maid outfit on like you always do.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, a little disclaimer. If the camera angle is off, baby, y'all know my tripod raggedy, y'all. I just got another one. Cause stuff on the clock. But while that's up, we're just gonna go ahead with our alcohol and rag. I'm gonna clean up the hairline. You want to make sure you go in with some alcohol to clear off the hairline from the excess glue. If you don't do this, then this is probably why your wigs don't last long and they live within a day or so. It's because you have too much oil on your forehead. So yeah, make sure you just clean around your face really good with alcohol. That way your wigs can last so much longer. To it, the people have spoke, and it is a tie. And I had my husband be the tiebreaker, and he said middle part. Now I'm just putting the concealer inside of the lace child. Just go ahead and get it going right. This is a transparent lace. I love transparent lace, but certain ones from certain places, like, they be a little too white for me. My freeze spray too. I'll take my freeze spray and I'm gonna spray it inside just a little bit. Just so that they stick, and I'm gonna blow dry it. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's go ahead and put the wig on and figure out what side do you want on. Do you want a middle part or a side part? Today I'm going for a middle part, and I am going to take some hair from the frontal just to cover up the tracks in the back. I'm going to use my I Got to Be Free spray to help me get those hairs delayed correctly. After that, I'm going to pull the wig back, and then we're going to start in with our first layer of glue. I believe in this install I used about 3 layers of the Erica J glue. Now that your lace is pulled back, let's go ahead and use our Erica J comb down glue adhesive to lay our lace down. You can use the back of a comb or a rat tail comb or even a popsicle stick. I was looking for a popsicle stick and I guess I ran out. So now I'm just using the back of my rat tail. Also, I have a low hairline, meaning I guess you could say sideburns of my hair or the sides of my hair come further down towards my eyebrow, meaning I have to have my sides pulled a little bit closer to my eyebrow versus the front. So installing a lower hairline wig is very, very hard. So make sure you just take your time when doing this. Make sure that the wig is in front of the cap. Now that we are laying this down, I am going to put myself in a little side. Actually, not in the side, but put myself in a little headlock. Alright. Okay. Now the fun part. We can go ahead and tie this down. Did I say where this hair is from? I have to look back at my order because I'm not sure if this hair is from Unice or somewhere else. I don't know. I have to look at it. So I put 2 bands on because I love how small the red and black one is. I love how small it is and it get right where I need it to be. But I love how thick and tight this brown one gets. So yeah, I use 2. And yes, like this too. When I have lace on. Okay. Let's get comfortable. And I'm gonna take my bio silk. Just about that much for the entire head. Rub it into your hands and then into the hair. So now we're going to go ahead and cut the legs. We got the hair molded how we want it. Oh. Everything is molded how we want it to be. When it comes to cutting the lace, you want to take your time and also make sure that you are going in a jagged motion. That way it resembles a natural hairline. You don't want to cut it straight across because then that's when the wig starts looking wiggy. So keep in mind, take your time, slow and steady, rinse the rest, and also cut in a jagged motion.
I'm on top, I've been caught, man, let's trade places. This umbrella's thing, the way we move things, I won't complain, I won't complain, I won't complain. Oh, you want me to give you what's yours, that's what it's made for. You don't wanna miss the main call. Tonight I'm finna let you do the honors, but you gotta bless your plate. Save you some for later. You wanna switch it up like that? I'm a challenge. I know how to claim my place, but I love when you call me baby. baby. Love when you call me baby. Turn around, be submissive, even though you know I talk big shit and that peep shit. I'm authentic. I love when you call me baby. Baby. Love when you call me baby. Love when you call me baby. Don't know where you been. I know you've been in your bed. What do you see that's so impressive? No need to take it off, feel it deep in your bed. Just for deep in your legs. Yeah, I'm different. No angel, but I'm gifted. I won't stay, but I'm addicted. Taste looking expensive. I won't be Xing you out, babe. I'm on that building. They won't be able to tell me this shit, tell me. You hurt me like your hood, I can't escape responsibility. I'm sure you know how I feel. Cloudy skies open up when you call my name. Whether you mine or not, tonight I'm finna let you do the honors. What you gotta bless your play. No favor, no one else switch it up like that. I'm a child.
Hey guys.
Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? Yeah. It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and you alone. Part of me that cared is just gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. What we could have been, what we should have been. Why wasn't there somebody? If we gotta hide it, what's the point of trying? I ain't just your friend, now what's the point of lying? Trying to sell a story, ain't nobody buying. Look me in my eyes, don't that feel nice? Why should it end? Baby, I could have been him or them your friend. Just say what and when, where to make a trip, baby, make a wish, be the one I wish. Should've been a, should've, could've, would have been. We could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, you dream about, I think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, 'cause I know.
I'm a Vegas host.
Alright, y'all. This is the final look. Sorry for the angle, but I am rushing out the door. Big lace. And it's a colored wig. Yeah. This is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the vlog.
Somebody give me, somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that, but there ain't nothing